Hello, so quickly we have another problem on the board. It says solve 2 power m minus 3 all factorial equal to 120. So simply so what is 120? 120 is the same thing as 120 is the same thing as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Which is equal to what? 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is the same thing as 120. That means we'll be substituting the value of this as 5 factorial. Hence, we have 2 power m minus 3 factorial equal to 5 factorial. The factorial will cancel factorial. Then we'll be left with what? 2 power m minus 3 equal to 5. Then you make 2 power m the subject. You have 2 power m equal to, you do that by doing what? The reciprocal of this, the inverse of minus 3, which is addition. You add both sides with plus 3. So you have minus 3 here. You have plus 3 equal to 5 plus 3. So you have minus 3 here and plus 8. You cancel out. Here you have what? 8. 2 power m is equal to what? 8. Well, 8 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. That means 2 raised to power 3. 2 coming 3 times. So you have 2 power m equal to 2 power 3. Since you have 2 here and you have 2 here, 2 will cancel out. Then you equate the power. If you equate the power, you have what? M equal to 3. So the value of m here in this equation is equal to 3. As simple as that. If you want to run a quick check if what we did is actually correct. So if you substitute the value of 3 here in this equation, it will give you 120. Because if you have 3 here, that means 2 raised to power 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which will give you 8. 8 minus 3 will give you 5. Then 5 factorial is equal to 120. As simple as that.